For my next DIY therapy project, I wanted to transform this TV wall and give it a little bit of character beyond the accent paint that we had done. Here's a sneak peek of the finished product, and now to show you how it was done. I found these coat hooks, believe it or not, at the Crate and Barrel outlet store. The coat hooks actually started out brown in color, so I knew they would need to be spray painted to match my black and white interior. But before spray painting, I needed to figure out where exactly I wanted to place them. And boy, was that a geometric, mathematic exercise. And now for my favorite activity, spray painting. Once I selected the color that I wanted, which was a dark metallic gray to match the trim from the TV area, I began spray painting. And voila, they were done. Now I just wait for the paint to dry. Even though I'd spent a lot of time up front measuring and taping out where I wanted the coat hooks to go, I decided to start with the middle and then plot them from there. Yep, I think I have the pattern that I want, so now time to screw in the coat hooks. One final measurement to make sure that they were dispersed correctly, not too perfect and not too scattered. And finally, this DIY therapy project is done and a success.